Hello everyone, this is Luther P40. I figured it's about time that I start scoping out where I'm thinking about installing in my hydrogen cell. Put it in this 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Just looking around, see what there is. Got a cooler on this side. That looks like a nice hole for a cell and maybe a bubbler. Got a place to put my I believe the first try will be putting the hydrogen right there. My battery connections. I wonder if I want to come off the battery off the terminal somewhere else. I'm going to have to scope around and look for an electrical connection. But, yeah. I mean, if I don't like the air box, I may try right there in front of the throttle assembly. Right there where this goes in right there. So we'll see how this works out. I mean, I believe I got enough room. Got a hole back there I could probably use. I think all of my hydrogen is going to be up here in the front. I mean, I just got to go right there. Probably right there on the right hand side of this. Oh, there's all kinds of room once you get underneath the bumper lip. And we'll have to see. Maybe I'm going to attach it to the side of this bracket right here. So, alright. Well, I kind of believe it's doable. I mean, easy to get to, easy to fill it back up right there. Keeps it out of the engine compartment. Or it keeps it directly out of the engine compartment. You gotta watch out that I don't, that I can protect the radiator if there's some sort of a problem with the cell. So, alright. Yeah, you guys were thinking that I was just playing around with cells and not having a place to put it. This is where I was planning on putting it. That's kind of the reason why, to me, it's important. I think I would be most happy if I could get 2 liters per minute. If I can get 2 liters per minute on demand, I think I will be happy. That's my target. So, I mean, that's for the reason why I'm working on these cells, is they gotta be able to do 2 liters per minute. I gotta try to do it. You know, I don't think it's possible at 20 amps, but I'm gonna try to get as much. And I'll be lucky to get 1 liter per minute at 20 amps. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. I don't know how big that amp alternator is. So, basically scoping out where I want to go with it. So, yeah. For anybody, if anybody's spoken to me and I'd say, you know, I reference the race car, this is what I'm talking about. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Alright, thank you very much for your time, and it's Luther P40 signing off. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care.